Marriage is beautiful, but character, peace, respect, and support matter more than beauty or excitement. Marriage ain't the enemy. Love was never meant to hurt. I need a heart that stands with me, not one that breaks me with her words. After fighting through the world outside, I need a place where I can breathe. Not another war at night, not love that makes me wanna leave. I don't need perfect, I need real. Someone who knows how a tired heart feels. Not just beauty, not just desire, but a gentle soul that keeps love alive. I need peace in my home, not battles in my bed. I need love that lifts me up, not tears inside my head. Marriage won't kill a man, but the wrong love can break his soul. So I'll choose the one with character, the one who helps me grow. A good woman makes hard days light. She becomes my calm in the storm. She doesn't drain my dreams away. She helps me build something strong. She speaks with respect when I fall. She doesn't shame me when I try. She sees the man I'm becoming and gives me wings to rise. Love should never be controlled, never change around the soul. It should be safe, it should be kind. Two hearts walking side by side. I need peace in my home, not battles in my bed. I need love that lifts me up, not tears inside my head. Marriage won't kill a man, but the wrong love can break his soul. So I'll choose the one with character, the one who helps me grow. Beauty fades, feelings change, but a true heart stays the same. Money comes and money goes, but peace is worth more than gold. I don't want a lifetime war, I want love worth fighting for. A hand to hold, a heart that's true, a future I can build with you. Give me peace in my home, sweet love in my bed. Give me someone who believes in me when the world gets hard ahead. Marriage won't kill a man when love is safe and strong, with the right one by your side. Oh, you can carry on. So I won't choose only beauty, I won't chase only fire. I'll choose the one with character, the one my soul desires. Peace in my home, love in my heart. With the right one, we'll never fall apart.